In terms of determining whether or not oil-free air compressors are appropriate, really you have to look at, is there contact with the finished product? There are a lot of items such as food, beverage, microprocessors, where any oil residue can foul the product and cause quality problems. So really the first step is identifying what does the air come in contact with. Hitachi has a long history of oil-free air compressors. In fact, most people don't realize Hitachi's second product that they ever introduced was an air compressor way back in 1911. The combination of Hitachi and Sullair has resulted in bringing more innovative oil-free solutions. At the show today at PAC Expo, we're showing the DS series of oil-free compressors. It's a rotary screw compressor which features Hitachi air ends, very well proven throughout the world, in a package that is easy for service and maintenance so the compressor can continue to run optimally.